Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Pages document is saved in the location you expect. This prevents accidental exports of outdated drafts. Once done, open Pages and load the file you want to convert. Make sure images are embedded rather than linked, and check fonts and page size so the PDF preserves layout. If you use custom fonts, install them system-wide. Otherwise, the PDF may substitute styles. Now locate the File menu and prepare to export. The next step handles format choices. You should go to File, choose Export to, then PDF. This is where you control output behavior. Once there, pick image quality. Good reduces size, best keeps fidelity for print. Make sure to set the appropriate paper size and include any comments or marks if required. If you need security, enable password protection or restrict printing and copying. These settings embed into the PDF. After confirming options, click Next and choose the destination folder so you don't misplace the new file. Click Export, give the PDF a clear name, and save it to a known folder. After exporting, open the PDF in Preview or Acrobat and verify page order, fonts, and image clarity. Check hyperlinks if you included them. If text shifts or fonts are missing, return to Pages, embed or outline fonts, or export with a higher image quality. One key troubleshooting tip: print to PDF or save as PDF from the print dialog to flatten complex layouts. That often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.